At Metal Panel Systems, we are proud to deliver a high-quality product quickly and efficiently while providing customer service that always treats you with respect and care. Some of the important products to consider are 24-gauge continuous gutters and downspouts. If you are a contractor, a builder, or an architect, you may be familiar with the light-gauge gutters and downspouts that you can find in a big box store, and those might be fine for a small home project. However, continuous commercial-grade gutters and downspouts, like the ones manufactured by us at Metal Panel Systems, are custom fabricated right here in Cincinnati from one continuous piece of 24-gauge steel. They are crafted to the exact measurements of your roof, meaning easier installation, less seams, less leaks, and higher performance. Whether you are building or renovating a commercial or residential property, continuous gutters and downspouts can increase the quality, dependability, and aesthetics of your project. Water infiltration can cause costly structural issues, landscape erosion, and interior damage. So you want to get that water off of and away from your building as quickly as possible. A 3x4 corrugated downspout by MPS will sufficiently handle 4,400 square feet of roof area. A 4x5 will handle about 8,400 square feet. Compare that to a big box store 2x3, which will only handle 1,800 square feet. Also, with continuous gutters and downspouts, you're going to experience fewer clogs and blockages, which again can cause costly damages. Finally, they just look better. The commercial grade materials and finishes and continuous links allow for better aesthetics, longevity, and integrity. And because of our wide range of options for factory applied colors, you can match the color palette on your project and increase your curb appeal. Whether you've never worked with Metal Panel Systems or you've been a long-time customer, think of us on your next project and work with a team that you can count on that's right here in your backyard. Give us a call or visit our website at metalpanelsystems.com.